Hello, my name's Versa, and recently I scheduled my dad and my grandfather for the Moderna vaccine in LA County. And though the vaccine was successfully administered to them, I saw a lot of other people struggling to use the site. So I just wanted to create a basic video tutorial to walk you through, navigate, and troubleshoot any problems that you might have. So let me take you through the process of scheduling for your vaccine.
Okay, so I hope this video helps you to best use the site. So let's look it over. The main hub for all the vaccine appointments in LA County is the LA County site here, which I'm dropping the link for on the screen. So let's take a look there, shall we? So right now they are currently vaccinating groups 1A, which are healthcare workers, and 1B, which are people over 65. So think of the site as a gateway portal. It's like trying to buy online concert tickets from many different vendor sites, StubHub, Ticketmax, things like that. They're all different entities you could book the appointment from. These: LA County, the fire department, community clinics, and supermarkets. The best experience I've had so far has been through the county. So let's take a look there, myturn.ca.gov. So okay, let's click on your eligibility, which is 65 and older, or if you are a healthcare worker, you can make an appointment at an LA pod. So click there. So follow the link, put all your info, and you are booked. So here is the second portal, the fire department. We can access it through the button here. Pick your group, which is either 1A if you're a healthcare worker, or 1B if you are a senior citizen over 65 and make an appointment. Press I understand, continue booking, and with that, we have several vaccination sites to choose from. So please choose the closest in your area. We have Lincoln Park, Dodger Stadium, Crenshaw Fire Department, Hanson Fire Department, the San Fernando Fire Department, and more. And just follow the rest of the information in the link that pops up, asking for your information, your address, things like that, and you are confirmed. Thirdly, we have pharmacies, which are the following: Albertsons, Costco, Pavilions, and Vons. So a lot of these pharmacies have more or less the same interface, so for the sake of time, I'll just cover the first. First, you'll put in your info, so your name, address, and then you'll put in the date that you want to book it in. They should have the time as well, and from there you could click on that and confirm. Lastly, we have community clinics, so let's put in all our personal info, first name, last name. Secondly, we have insurance. Include a scan of your insurance card, or if you don't have insurance, just click that, whichever works. Thirdly, fill out all the pre-screening health questions, such as if you had any allergies or allergic reactions, or if you had the first dose already. Stuff like that is important for healthcare workers administrating the shot to you. And lastly, review all your information and pick the day of your appointment, and you are done.
So I hope that this tutorial helps you successfully schedule your vaccination for yourself or for an elderly family member. All the links that I talked about are in the video description. If you need any other help, you could message, comment, or email. And of course, please stay safe and healthy.